We will see few of the options which are available in this home tab. We have seen already font, alignment. Now this number we will be covering in the formatting section, in the formatting part. But there are some basic things which I want to cover. For example, these are my rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are my columns. What I want is I want to insert a new column. For example, this is column B and I have some value inside it. But I want to insert a column before this column B. To do so, what I can do is just hover here and right click and click insert. When you click insert, it will create a new column for you with the same name B, and this column will be moved to right. So this is the way how we can add a column. Similar way, when you click here over here and click on this, right click and click insert, then you will see we have also inserted one new row. For example, I have some value here and then I insert an entire new row and I click on insert. You can see we can insert rows and column like this. Now we have the option called cells. Whatever the task we are doing here by right clicking, we can also do the same without clicking, just using this. For example, I want to insert a column, then I click on this insert drop down and insert cells, and I click on this. You can see we have created new column. You can see the difference here. For example, I click now and click insert cell. Then you can see by this way we can also insert the row and column. If I click here, then we can similar way add rows by using this cells option. If I want to delete this column, for example, similar, there are two ways. If you right click and click on delete, this column will be deleted, or by clicking here you can also delete cells. It is deleted now. So this is how we can insert and delete the rows and columns. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.